What's on at your gallery?
It's Kids Arts Day, every day. Here's what we're doing in today's fun episode. Before we begin, grab your corresponding art kit, available from the Niagara Falls Art Gallery, or grab the following supplies from home so you can follow along.
For today's drawing, we'll be using a dark blue paper. If you are not using our kit, then we are using a 30 by 44 centimeter or a 12 by 18 inch paper. I'm also going to be using a container. This is just an old ranch container. It's about 10 centimeter diameter. So now we're going to start drawing. I'm going to start by putting my container right in the middle of my paper, right there, and I'm going to trace all around it with my white pastel. Now that we have that circle, we are going to start with the top of the rocket ship. So first I'm going to put my hand right on the end of the left side of the paper. I'm going to draw a dot. So this dot's going to be a guideline just so we know where the rocket ship ends, and let's get started. So from this dot to the circle, we are going to draw one big curved line. And now we're going to do the exact same right here, right at the bottom. Next thing we need to do is draw the bottom of the rocket ship. So I'm going to do that by putting my hand right at the end of the circle. I'm going to draw a dot right here. And I'm going to draw a line from the circle to this dot, like so. Now I'm going to put my hand down again. I'm going to put a dot right near the top of the circle. I'm going to draw a line going from this dot to the circle. Once we have that, we're going to draw a line going from this dot to this dot. Next, we need to draw some wings. So right near, sort of like the middle of the circle, I'm going to draw 2 dots, just so I know where to start my wing on. And then I'm going to put my finger right at the bottom of my rocket ship. I'm going to draw another dot. I'm going to do that on both sides. So this is just a guideline so we know where the wings should start and end. So I'm going to start with this top dot, and I'm going to draw a curve right out near the end of the paper. I'm going to do that on the other side as well. So sort of like a rainbow shape. It's okay if it doesn't look exactly like this, but it should look similar. Just going to extend this a little bit down on both sides. And then from the end of this line to this dot, I'm going to draw another curve going towards the left side of the paper, so just going inwards. I'm going to do that on both sides. So the next thing we need to do, top part of the rocket ship. So to do this, we're just going to draw a line going straight across. I'm going to continue with adding a next part. This is just going to be sort of on the bottom of the rocket ship. Put a finger inwards. I'm going to draw a dot on both sides. From this dot, I'm going to draw a line going straight out. Just about a finger's length. And I'm going to connect these 2 lines with one big line, like so. So this is going to be the bottom of the rocket ship. And from this bottom part, we're going to draw some flames. So to do that, we're just going to draw a zigzag line, sort of like so, just to the end of the paper. There we go. Now we need to add a window to our rocket ship. So we're going to do that by drawing just a circle right inside that guideline circle that we had. Try your best circle, it's okay if it's not perfect. Now we're going to draw one more smaller circle inside of there. Next, we're going to add some things to the background. I'm going to add some stars and a moon. So I'm going to do a crescent moon. You're welcome to do a full moon if you like. I'm going to do this by just at the top left of my paper. I'm going to draw sort of just like a big C. And on the inside of this C, I'm going to draw another just curve going inwards. So now we're going to start coloring. I'm going to start with the background first. So I'm going to start with a light blue, and we're also going to need a dark blue for this step. So with my light blue, I'm going to start coloring with the belly of the pastel. So that means that we're going to use the side of the pastel. So I'm going to start just by holding my pastel just like this. I'm going to start coloring right around my rocket ship, just with the light blue. Another thing to mention is that we're going to take our time just going around, make sure we don't color over the stars or the rocket ship or the moon. It's okay if you do that though, a little bit, we can try to color over it. So now that we're done coloring the light blue around the rocket ship, I'm going to start coloring with my dark blue. So I'm going to do the exact same thing using the belly of the pastel. I'm just going to go color around the outside of where I put the light blue. So once we're done that, I'm going to come back with my light blue. I'm just going to go over just a little bit on top of the dark blue. You'll see that the colors start to blend together, and that's what we want. So I'm just going to go around the outside of my light blue just one more time, just a little bit over the dark blue. Next, I'm going to color in the little window here. I'm going to be using my light blue and my dark blue still. So I'm going to start with my dark blue, and with this dark blue we're going to add a shadow just along the edge of the circle. So we're just going to color in lightly, just like so, just near the bottom of the circle. Next, with our light blue, I'm going to trace around this circle just so we make sure that we color over all of those white lines. Make sure it's nice and clean. And we're going to color over the whole circle, right over the dark blue. The next thing we're going to color are the moon, the stars, and the fire. We're going to start with the stars. So for this, I'm going to use an orange and a yellow. So with my orange, I'm just going to trace around my stars. And I'm also going to trace around my moon. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm going to use my yellow now to color in the stars and the moon, coloring right over the orange that we just put down. And again, we're going to be using our tip for this part of the drawing, just so it's a little bit more darker. So the next thing we're going to color is the flame coming out of our rocket ship. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the orange, and again with the tip of the pastel, I'm going to color just along these zigzag lines, just along the edge. It's okay if you color a little bit more thick along these lines too, just so there's a little bit more orange. So next I'm going to use my yellow, and I'm going to color in the middle of this flame shape. And it's going to be overlapping the orange just a little bit, just so the colors blend together. So again, I'm going to use the tip. So now that we have that finished, I'm going to be using gray pastel to color in the body of our rocket ship. So this large circle that we drew with the container may disappear. This circle may also disappear, and that's okay because we can put it back with a black pastel later. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to trace around all the areas that I'm going to be coloring gray, just so that we make sure that all of the white lines disappear. So now I'm going to start coloring, so again, just this area around the window. Feel free to pause anytime you need to catch up. We want to make sure that the paper is not showing through our coloring. Now that we have that gray all colored in, we're going to start coloring the wings, this top part, and this bottom part. We're going to color that red. But before we do the red, we're going to start with some shading. So, to color in these red parts, we are going to need a red and a dark blue. We're going to start with our dark blue, just so we can add some shading. So what we're going to do is we're going to color a little bit near the rocket ship on the wings. I'm also going to add some shading to the top of our rocket ship. The last place I'm going to put shading is right on here, and I'm going to do that right near the bottom of our rocket ship. Now that we have that all finished, we're going to color it in with our red. Again, using the tip of the red, and I'm going to start with tracing the area that I'm going to color in. Now we can start coloring in these spaces. So again, just like the other shading that we did, we're going to color right over the first color that we did. Just cover it completely. Feel free to pause anytime you need to catch up. Before we start into our next part, which is going to be the outline with black, I'm going to check if I missed any areas that I colored in. So I can see kind of like here and here, I didn't really color in so great, so I'm going to go over that now. So now that I've done that, I'm going to start outlining. So what we need is our black pastel, and we're going to be using the tip of it. We're going to start sort of from the top to the bottom of our paper, just so we don't smudge anything. So I'm going to start outlining with my moon and these two stars. So now I'm going to start outlining my rocket ship. I'm going to start with this wing, and I'm going to work my way down. So if you remember, we had this other circle here that we colored over with gray. So we're going to add that again with our black pastel. I'm going to add some more details of my rocket ship with my black pastel now. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some bolts going around the window. So I'm just going to start with a circle here. I'm going to add another circle here, here, and here. So the 4 quarters of the circle. I'm going to add 4 more right here, 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 and here. Next, I'm going to add some metal detail to the outside of the rocket ship. So I'm going to do that with some lines and some circles. I'm going to add some more metal detail along this top part and this bottom part. There's a few more things we need to outline now, such as the fire and these last 2 stars. And there we have it. Here's our rocket ship all finished, ready to blast off into space. If you like this drawing, make sure to like and subscribe, and check out our other videos for drawings for kids.
Here's what's on next time on Kids Arts Day every day. Watch for these other great projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you there.